How ship's crew prepare for underwater divers. Securing a written approved dive permit to concerned parties from the ship's owner, from the ship's charterers, from the ship's agent, and from the harbor master. Coordinating the actual dive with the vessel traffic control, the harbor master, and with the dive master. Preparing and checking the diver's safety checklist. Informing the bridge crew. Informing the engine crew. At daytime, raising the alpha flag or the diver's flag. At night time, lighting up the restricted maneuvering lights. Shutting off and securing the main propulsion engine and other propulsion machinery. Shutting off and securing the main steering gear motors. Shutting off and securing the cathodic protection system or CAPAC. Shutting off and securing marine growth protection system or MGPS. Shutting off and securing the ballast pumps and discharge overboard valves. Shutting off and securing the boiler blowdown overboard valves. Shutting off and securing other underwater machinery that is installed in your ship that could harm and endanger the lives of the divers. Assigning a lookout, and establishing close communication with the agreed language to be used, and other means of communications like hand signals, sound signals, and radio frequency. And, that is,